Hello everyone, the new corruption event is finally here. And today I'm going to show you guys how to get a lot of corruption and chunk of fruit to get a higher chance to get the new corrupted Kitsune. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, first things first, what you're going to need is this guy right here. It's called Corrupted Kodama. And to get this guy, you just need to finish some few quests from this guy over here, Corrupted Chancellor. And as you can see, the chances to get the Corrupted Kodama is 4.35%. So it's pretty easy to get. Now the next thing you're gonna need is Kodama. To get Kodama, you just need to go right here to get Kitsune. And as you can see, the chances of getting the Kodama is 14.5%.
Nakakuha din yan.
Now let's get back to our garden. Now here we are in my garden. As you can see, I have the Nihotsu.
Hachi. No. Ikaw ah. Oh, cute. Ring ko rin yung kamay mo. Why will you gawin ulit? Just did siya ang cute niyo.
Pwede ko. Our ability can enhance our...
Apat lang pala tayo na nakakuha. Ayun.
And next we're gonna place our corrupted Kodama.
Pinakamata si Kayete.
Corrupted Kodama has
Pinakamataas si Papa.
Zen type fruit gets corrupted mutation after collecting. So what you're gonna need is to plant a lot of Zen type fruits from Zen event.
Kasi
Right over there, I'm pretty sure you already have a lot.
nakakuha, hindi
Now
kasi
it's
nag-claim
time
yung ano ko,
to harvest and see how many
yung taniman
corrupted
ko.
corrupted flower we can get. There we are at 2, 3, 6,
Pag hindi mo na claim yung ano doon, yung sa tanim.
11,
Pag hindi
3,
mo
5, 6. Yeah, this is the best way to farm corrupted than waiting the every 1 hour. Oh, I'm already max inventory. Now, the
2 na
next step
hours
to
pa magkukurap. 2 lang na
cure
hours
all
ah.
the corrupted flower you have, you just need to search corrupt
aray ko.
and make sure to favorite all of it.
Kasi kahit ano,
Yung kurap.
din siya naman eh.
C-O-R-R.
Kaya yun, kaya hindi siguro ako nakakuha.
To make sure you're not gonna be solding. I mean, they're not gonna get sold with the rest. There you go. Take all my flowers. There you go. And there you have it. I still have my corrupted flowers. And next, gonna need the tranquil mutation. You're just gonna need to put the Kodama. I already have a lot of Kodamas, so it's a good thing.
Ay, nagkuha natin na yun.
Kodama,
Yung mali, yung na, yung maliit na tao.
Sami.
there you go. Kodama, and another Kodama. Put another Neozer. And after placing all the Kodama, and as you can see, the Kodama has a 4.42% chance Zen-type fruit get tranquil mutation after collecting. So, if you have a lot of the Kodama, and we're gonna go harvest a lot of Zen fruit, as you can see, I'm already have 7 tranquil mutation, 21, 25.
Bakit nagawa yung
The best method to farm a lot of tranquil fruit right now.
Ipapakita ko din yung palam nila.
And just like before, you just need to put another
ZEE and Zen Gaming. Hindi ko alam yun.
No.
Ang dami.
Now after favoriting the trunkle fruit, you can just sell the rest. Now it's time to go in the middle and submit our trunkle fruits and corrupted. Next, you're gonna go right here to Kitsune.
Pause ko muna.
Then take out the trunkle fruit
Dito ko
or
na lang.
trunkle flowers. Give it to him. After
Kaya
giving
hindi ko
5
ito ni
trunkle
Raro.
fruits, you're going
Nibibideo ko lang para alam ko.
to give 5 corruptions
2 hours pang
fruit as well.
nag-upload.
There you go. By just placing 5 trunkle fruits and 5 corrupted fruit, you can get the Kitsune chest. And here you get the chance to get the Kitsune. And as you can see, I get the dozen. And by doing this, you get the higher chance to get the new corrupted Kitsune. And also the trunkle blossom. By the way, I already have the trunkle blossom right here. I don't have the Kitsune yet, so yeah. And after farming some trunkle and corrupted fruit, I finally managed to get a total 25 of Kitsune chests. Now, it's time to open them and see if I can get the new
25
corrupted
yan.
Kitsune. Oh, that's a close one.
24 na.
No!
No! Stop!
Lucky monkey. Here it is. No, that's a monkey. The monkey. Another Kodama. I already have like 8 Kodama. Another monkey. And we have
Pag niya guys, yun yung ano yung gagamit ko yung cellphone ni Genji. Yung kuya ko.
please. Another lucky bomb. Another dozen. Another mannequin. Good amount. Another good amount.
Malapit na.
Where did the rapid chicken go? And the last one. Yeah. And that's all for today, guys.
Wala
If
na
this video is
wala
very
siya nang
helpful,
kukuha ko
please
sa
hit the
may.
like and subscribe button. It's helped me a lot. And see you guys in the next one.
Gawain mo sa akin din.